Welcome to this Qodly tutorial, where we will look the power of states to manage and display boards dynamically. Imagine a page that adapts its layout based on who's viewing it. Pretty cool, right? Well, that's exactly what we will achieve using Qodly's state feature. In Qodly, a state is like a shapeshifter for your page, effortlessly transforming its layout to match different conditions and CSS styles. Each unique layout reflects a distinct state, making it easy to adapt your page appearance with fluid versatility. Check the video below for more insights into Qodly's state feature. Once a condition is associated with a state, it becomes a conditional state. Today, we are diving into how to create two conditional states using privileges, ensuring that your users see exactly what they need to, whether they are in marketing or engineering. Picture this. The project manager is the captain of marketing, and the developer is the mastermind of engineering. We will give our project manager the marketing privilege and our developer the engineering privilege. For the marketing privilege, boards will spread out horizontally, giving a clear and broad view. For the engineering privilege, boards will stack vertically, focusing the details on a structured manner. To learn more about creating privileges, watch the video provided below. Now, let's get into the action. Head over to the page where you display your boards. Select the State section. We will begin by creating two states. Marketing View. This will be our horizontal layout, perfect for those with the marketing privilege. The Engineering View state, our vertical layout, tailored for the engineering privilege. For each state, we will assign unique conditions. Starting with the Marketing View state, we will define the first condition. Let's call it Marketing and choose from the following condition types. First, there is a Qodly source, where we can analyze data straight from a designated source using a variety of operators. Then, we have got Current State, which checks what's happening with our current element in real time. Parent State comes next, giving us a peek into the condition of the parent element. We have also Privilege, which checks the user's access level to make sure they have the right permissions. And finally, Saved Conditions allows us to pull from any predefined conditions we have set up earlier, making it super easy to reuse them across different states. In this scenario, we will go with the privilege type and set the condition using the equal operator. Then, choose Marketing as the value, ensuring this rule kicks in whenever user holds the marketing privilege. Next, let's introduce a second condition using the Qodly source type to ensure the board data source isn't blank. Here is how. Click on the three dots and choose Add Condition. Name this condition Data. Set the type to Qodly source. Select the specific Qodly source you want to evaluate. I will pick the matrix Qodly source for this. And calculate its length. Choose the not equal operator. For the value, select the number type and enter 0. In short, we are making sure that our Qodly source isn't empty. We will replicate these steps for the Engineering View state and adjust the first privilege type condition to align with engineering. But what if there is nothing to show? We will cover that too. Start by selecting the base state. Here, we will design a clean message for when there is no data available. Locate the parent style box of the matrix and insert a new style box just before it. Inside this new style box, add an icon. Set it to display flex and set justify and align center. Customize the icon. Insert a text component inside the style box with the message "No results found." Set the background color. Adjust the layout direction to column. Set the text color and the icon color. For more options, click Advanced. Now, let's go through each state. By default, all states share the same disposition. Note: if you need to add dialogues, components, or events in the contextual panel, make sure to select the base state. Locate the board style box and set its display to none. Select the marketing view state. You will notice the board style box has disappeared. This is expected as we set its display to none. Since it's already selected, we will change its display to flex to force it to appear in this state. We're going to do the same for the engineering view state. Finally, within the marketing and engineering states, hide the no results found style box by setting its display to none. Select the base state. To improve visibility, increase the icon's font size to 40 pixels and text font size to 30 pixels. Then, expand the No Results Found style box to 100% height to ensure it covers the full screen. Next, we will tweak the engineering view. Select the board style box. Remove its width. And voila, your boards are now displayed vertically. Save your changes and hit preview to see the results. Watch as the boards align horizontally, confirming the user has the marketing privilege. Now, let's highlight the case when no results are found. Let's filter by zone as well. As you can see, the No Results Found style box appears. This indicates an issue. So, Let's return to Qodly Studio. Ensure you are in the base state. Select the page. And open the contextual panel. You will notice we have two onload events, one to reset the zone and another to perform the search. To fix this, replace both onload events with onInit by dragging and dropping onInit into each event. Then, delete the onload actions. The purpose of onInit is to set up all necessary Qodly sources and conditions before the page is rendered. Now, let's try again. As expected, the No Results Found style box no longer appears. Perfect. Let's verify the user role. Head over to the Qodly Cloud Console, select Environment, Development, Team. As shown, the user has the project manager role, so they have the marketing privilege as defined initially. Let's select another user with the developer role. For that, I will connect with this user credentials. As you can see, the boards are displayed vertically. And there you have it. You have just mastered state management in Qodly, creating a dynamic layout that adapts to your users' roles. Thanks for following along. Keep exploring and stay tuned for more Qodly next tutorials.